Now let's talk about the DR770X BOX 3-channel Truck Pro model. This is a bundle where, again, you have this box main unit, the front camera, and then you have this ultra-wide interior camera, and then you have a special camera that's unique to the truck model, which I'm going to show you here. It's the truck camera. So this one, we are going to unbox it right now. Let me show you the truck camera. It's a camera with a waterproof housing. It's rated actually IP69K, which means it can withstand power washing. This is a camera that you will typically install at the back of a box truck or maybe a pickup truck if you want to have a clear view of the rear of the vehicle, but you need to install it on somewhere outside. So you can see this is the camera. It's really heavy duty. You can see it comes with 6 LEDs. So this is also an IR camera, in other words, infrared. With this camera, you can install it. It has this waterproof connector, and with this camera comes a 15-meter cable. That's about 49 feet in length. So you see, this is the cable that comes with it. With this cable, you have this special connector that connects, is the waterproof connection. You can see to connect to the truck camera. And then this one, as every other camera, will connect to the box. So this model, yeah, for trucks is waterproof. As I said, IP69K is also a Sony service sensor, and the view angle is a little bit narrower than the rear camera, but it's made to light up the road behind. So even in the dark, if you want to, for example, monitor the unloading of a truck, you can put it at the top of the back door of your truck, and then it will help you monitor not only the road, but also the unloading and loading operations. Additionally, you have a set of screws, because obviously this camera needs to be fixed in place with these screws, and the mount is all metal, so you can fix it on a metal piece of your vehicle. So there you have it for the DR770X BOX 3-channel Truck Pro. Now let's talk about the DR770X BOX 3-channel DMS Truck Pro. This is a model with the main unit, the front camera that you know, and then you have this specific to the truck models. This is the truck camera with its waterproof housing, IP69K, and the 15-meter cable with also the waterproof connector. And since it's a DMS model we are talking about, we are gonna add the different interior camera, which is this DMS cam. With this DMS cam, it's a driver monitoring system camera, so it's designed to monitor the driver at all times and detect when the driver is drowsy or distracted or has their seatbelt off. It also detects the status when the driver leaves their seat. So this is the camera we're talking about, the BlackVue DMS camera, so driver monitoring system camera. So this camera is also an infrared camera, so it works at all time in the dark or in the day. And since it's an infrared sensor, the colors will be a little bit different than a standard camera. So it comes with all the accessories that you find in every accessory cam, and including the 6-meter or 19 feet cable. There you have it, the DMS cam. So this is the bundle called DR770X BOX 3-channel DMS Truck Pro. Now, to learn more about all the Box Pro bundles, head to BlackVue.com.